Greetings, Joy here from REInnovating LLC with a quick tutorial on how to add someone as an account executive on your GoDaddy account. I'd first like to thank our client, Robotic Infantry, for giving us the ability to use their account on this tutorial. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is navigate over to GoDaddy.com. You're going to need your username or customer ID in order to log in. And you should have already created a password when you bought your domain. So you're going to enter in your username and password and click enter. Okay, once you're logged in, navigate over here to the My Account section and click on My Products. After the page loads, over here on the left side, you're going to look under the My Account area and select Assign an Account Executive. Here you'll enter in that account executive's first and last name, including their email address. Confirm it to make sure it's correct, and click Invite. There's going to be a message that verifies everything that you've entered. Click Continue. And then it's going to confirm that the invitation has been sent. So GoDaddy will now automatically send out an invitation to the web developer or web designer, and they will first have to approve and accept the invitation before you will be able to go on to the next step. So at this point, you're going to want to confirm with your web developer or web designer or REInnovating or whoever it is that the invitation, that they have received it and they have actually clicked on the link to accept it. Once that happens, you're now going to log back into GoDaddy.com and click on Domain Manager. From here, it's going to show you all of your domains, and if you have multiple domains, each one of them will be listed here. Over here on the left, though, is where you're going to work your magic. You're going to click Folders, and you're going to create a new folder by clicking this link. Now, I suggest you name that folder something memorable to describe the relationship between you and whoever you're working with. So if you're working with REInnovating LLC, you may want to write REInnovating LLC and a description which says, designer of our great website.com. Okay, and you click OK. Click OK one more time, and the folder should show up over on the left just under Folders. So, in order to edit the preferences on that specific folder, you're going to have to come back to this area. But the first thing you need to do is take your domain. So you're going to click on All My Domains, and you're going to check the domain that you want to give that person access to. You're going to click the Organize button, copy the folder, and place it into the folder that you just created. Okay, so now that you have copied the domain over to the folder, you're going to navigate over to the folder by clicking this little tree, selecting the folder, double checking that your domain is in here, because if you missed a step and your domain isn't in here, your web developer will not have access to your domain. So just do that double check. If it's in there, great, move on to the next step. Click on the folders. You're going to select the folder that you've just given that person, that you want to give that person access to, and click Account Executive. Now, you're going to select the account executive that you have just given access to. So if it's REInnovating LLC, it will say account number 5748300-Joy Rogers. If it was a different company and they have accepted, their name will show up here. So once you select their name, you can actually assign a role. And if it is REInnovating LLC, you will have to give us administrative access so that we can make changes to your domain or your hosting if that's included in your package. Once you've done that, you click OK. Click OK once again, and voila, you're done. your web developer will now be able to log into their account on GoDaddy and make changes to your account. And then you can easily revoke those once the project is done, and I'll show you how to do that. Or if for any reason you need to remove the account executive from your account, you're going to navigate over here to My Account. Go right back to Assign an Account Executive over on the left. And you're going to scroll down a little bit and select the name and hit Revoke. And that will automatically remove that person from all of your accounts. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If you need anything at all, feel free to send an email to techsupport@reinnovating.com, or you can contact Joy at joy@reinnovating.com. Have a great day.